Closing a ServiceNow ticket signifies the resolution of an incident or request within an organization's IT service management system. Here's how to close a ServiceNow ticket. Access ServiceNow platform. Log into the ServiceNow platform using your credentials. Navigate to the Incident module. Locate the Incident module from the main navigation menu or dashboard. Search for the ticket. Use the search functionality to find the specific ticket you want to close. You can search by ticket number, short description, or other criteria. Open the ticket. Click on the ticket to open it and view its details. Update ticket status. Change the status of the ticket to indicate that it has been resolved. Depending on your organization's setup, this may involve selecting a resolved or closed status from a drop-down menu. Provide resolution details. If required, add any additional information or notes about the resolution of the incident. This could include steps taken to resolve the issue or any follow-up actions needed. Close the ticket. Once all necessary information is provided, close the ticket to mark it as resolved. Confirm closure. Review the ticket details to ensure accuracy and completeness. Confirm the closure of the ticket to finalize the process. Notify stakeholders. If necessary, notify stakeholders or relevant parties about the closure of the ticket and the resolution of the incident.